Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question number 139A. Sir, the total number of DISHA committee meetings held during the last 1 year was 9 numbers. B, sir, all central programs as indicated by the Ministry of Rural Development from time to time. No state government programs are included in DISHA meetings.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Community and Rural Development, in his reply that there was mentioned that during the last 1 year, 9 meetings, DISHA meetings has been held. May I know from the Honorable Minister, district-wise, since this DISHA is District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee, so I want to know from the Honorable Minister, district-wise, how many DISHA meetings has been held, whether in the district of East Khasi Hills, such meeting has been held or not in the last 1 year.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in the last 1 year, there was no meeting held for DISHA as far East Khasi Hills district is concerned.
Sir, Minister, why this such meeting held in the district of East Khasi Hills in the last 1 year? What is the reason, sir?
Sir, the committee is headed by the MP of the concerned district, and it is his prerogative to convene the meeting, sir.
I will pass on to.
No, wait. So, can the Minister provide an update on the progress of recent projects like VDVK? Has the government received the fund, and which is implementing agency under this VDVK, sir?
Sir, details are not with me. I require notice, sir.
Sir, another one.
Ri-Bhoi.
No, wait. So, if you have this DISHA committee meeting, so whenever this DISHA meeting is being held, sir, in case there is any discrepancy or lapses is found in the implementation of particular project, can action be taken by DISHA?
Sir, basically the requirement of DISHA is to monitor and review the implementation of all Government of India flagship programs, and also to look into the complaints, grievances, and all these things. Definitely, DISHA is having that privilege to address the grievances, sir.
Last, sir. Thank you, Minister, for your reply. And one question is that, if possible, I request the Minister that I should request the Honorable MP to conduct such a DISHA meeting. It's very important.
Sir, definitely I will do that, but election is just round the corner. Any day, the model code of conduct may be declared also, but still I will inform the Honorable MP to convene the DISHA committee as early as possible, sir.
Ri-Bhoi.
Sir, this is a very important committee within the district to oversee the implementation of central scheme within the district. Ri-Bhoi district being an aspirational district, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister whether this DISHA meeting has been conducted or not in Ri-Bhoi district specific.
Sir, last in 1 year, there was no DISHA meeting convened for the district of Rkhie, sir.
So this is very unfortunate in the last 1 year, because we have seen many programs from the central government, and we take this opportunity through you, sir, to convene to the Honorable Minister that if time permit, as stated by the Honorable Minister, it has to be conducted very soon. And in days to come in future also, it is a prerogative of the Member of Parliament of that particular seat to conduct a regular meeting of DISHA so that to ensure that the central scheme will be properly implemented in different districts, especially Ri-Bhoi being an aspirational district. Thank you, sir.
Suggestion.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, there's a bit of confusion in this entire question. The reason I'd like to clarify, sir, is because I had the opportunity to also represent Tura's seat for DISHA, for Lok Sabha, and I used to conduct DISHA meetings every quarter, which is what the norm is. So just for the knowledge of all the members, this actually is not conducted or is not a program of the state government. It is a program of Government of India. And Government of India monitors it through the Member of Parliament. So a particular Member of Parliament of that constituency or that particular district is the chairman of this committee, and it is his or her responsibility and prerogative to call the DISHA meeting. So it is not a state program, and hence, as members are saying, why isn't state calling it? So it's not the state's responsibility, and it is not a state program. It is directly between the department concerned and the MP of that particular constituency. But of course, members are there, all MLAs and other members are always there who attend the meeting. But as I said, it's a completely independent program of Government of India and the MPs.
Thank you.